Hi friends, we will try to find out what is the value of 6 power 1, power 2, power 5, power 9, power 8 equal to. Is it A or B or C or D? At first, we will try to find out what is the value of 2 power 5, power 9, power 8 equal to. We do know like 2 power 5. So my 2 power 5 equal to 32. So this is 32 power 9 and then power 8. If we try to work out 32 power 9, that's going to be a very, very big number. And again, that big number power 8 is going to be super big number, which is going to be infinity. So this answer is going to come infinity. Now, so this part 2 power 5 power 9 power 8 is infinity. And then 1 power infinity. So 1 power anything is 1. So that is going to be 1. And then 6 power 1 is going to be 6. So my answer is going to be 6, which is option A. Thank you.